Every software vendor trying to get you to use their product. But it's unlike with Navisworks. Navisworks has become so popular because of the fact that Navisworks is here to be compatible with almost any file type you can throw at it. Autodesk alone has dozens of different file types, some compatible with one another and some not. What Navisworks does is create a compatibility that really no other graphical software can offer. In this lecture, we're going to learn the different file types Navisworks can open directly. We'll also bring in an AutoCAD file directly and see how Navisworks handles it. So, to start, in Navisworks, I'm going to click my Open button. I want to find an AutoCAD drawing. So browse to the folder where you saved your files and then go to the AutoCAD folder. Note that Navisworks won't see the file immediately. That's because it's looking for a specific file. It's looking for a Navisworks file type. Click the Files of Type menu and see all the different files that you can open directly in Navisworks. What we want right now is to open an AutoCAD drawing file. So select Autodesk DWG-DXF and you'll see a drawing file in this folder. It's an example of a civil project. Click on Open. Now that the file in here, we can pan around and zoom in it as we see fit. Now what happens is when Navisworks opens this, it makes a Navisworks sketch file and puts it in the same folder. This sketch file serves as an interpreter between Navisworks and AutoCAD. So if we go to our exercise files and we go to AutoCAD, notice now that automatically an NWC file is made. Now, you no longer have to be enemies with people who aren't using the software you're using, because Navisworks opened up a whole new world of collaboration. Let's see next how you can export models from Revit to Navisworks.